Ever feel like your EdTech business is stuck between juggling schedules, sending reminders, managing spreadsheets, and switching between apps? So many apps! Time to say goodbye to this manual mayhem. Enter Wise, the most advanced learning management system that automates your business and helps you scale with unparalleled growth. No matter if it's one-to-one or cohort-based courses across the globe. Experience native live sessions with auto attendance and real-time engagement analytics to make learning extraordinary. And share your recording automatically, just like that. Gamify your EdTech through leaderboards, points, badges, and insightful performance reports. Yes, no more guessing games. Your instructors can now track their upcoming sessions and lesson plans from a single place. Even upload course content in just a few clicks. Voila! Now, forget the struggle of manually tracking session credits, and Wise will notify your learners before their credits get over. What sets Wise apart? We offer hassle-free custom development, ensuring the platform is purpose-built for your long-term needs, and all under your own brand. Ready to supercharge your growth? Book a demo now